Good morning, David Murphy with BayWa RV Solar Systems with Mike Mahon from SMA. Mike, what are you guys showcasing at SPI this year?
We've got a lot of products. We'll start here on the residential wall for residential storage. We have our Sunny Boy storage, AC coupled high voltage lithium ion battery inverter that comes in 3 power classes. We have the 2 approved high voltage lithium ion batteries for use with that device, the LG Chem Resu 10H and the BYD Battery Box HV. Also, the accessory, the automatic backup unit, allows the Sunny Boy storage to form a fully functional microgrid if the grid should fail. Also allows the inclusion of up to 9.6 kilowatts of PV on that microgrid. On the flip side, we have the Sunny Boy PV inverter, so let's walk over and see that. Here we have the Sunny Boy US41 with its integrated SunSpec rapid shutdown transmitter for use with the TS4R-F SunSpec certified rapid shutdown receiver. The US41 also continues support for the 2 other TS4 devices that work with the US40, the TS4S and the TS4O. With the US-41 and the TS4O only, we will be bringing back support for the secure power supply functionality with the US41. So pretty exciting for that. And last but not least, we have our 3-phase commercial string inverter, the Core1. We have also launched a new version number of the -41 for this product family, expanding the available power classes to 33, 50, and 62.5K. It also has an integrated SunSpec rapid shutdown transmitter for use with the TS4R-F for very fast and cost-effective satisfaction of the 2017 690.12.